and for some reason I am thinking about the evolution of mankind, because I think Supriya's little kid is a bit of a missing link between the monkey and the human beings, because she's supposed to be a human being but she behaves like a monkey. But it's all good fun because the kids are having such a blast. I mean, this place is just full of children and families, and everyone seems to be having just such a blast. It's been a hot day, by the way, so if you're coming here, make sure that you stay very, very hydrated, because if you don't take care of that one aspect, hydration, sunscreen, make sure that you don't run, just sort of be a little careful. And it's fun, moment after moment. We have been to the wave pool. The wave pool was just crazy, and you had to see the people. They were just jumping and dancing and screaming. It was like a water wave followed by a human wave. It was just super duper fun. This is just the place to bring your children during the summer, bring your family during the summer, turn up with your friends, or just come here and chill, because there are enough chill zones over here. Do remember, it tends to get very sunny and hot during the day, so do not step into Aqua Magica without your sunscreen and proper protection, and you're gonna be just fine. This is one great change from the madness of Bombay. I'm really, really loving it here. I'm gonna show you some of the rides after this buck that I'm doing, and hopefully you will enjoy that a lot. So bye for now. Yeah, so tell me, how has the day at Aqua Magica been so far?
Very nice. It was perfect. I mean, after my exams and after all the entire hot summer in Mumbai, I think this was the best thing that happened. I enjoyed the wave pool. That was like very nice, and I hope to go on this floatsa.
Okay.
It looks very nice.
The lazy river.
Yeah, I just want to lace around.
I know, that's exactly my intention as well today, because while the kids are just going crazy as if they are on some sort of high which they shouldn't be on, and I don't know why I'm talking about this on camera, but yeah, I mean, they are like high and happy right now. Maybe it's the sun, and maybe we're gonna have to carry them back home, but this has been so much fun, guys. This is like criminal level of fun. Of course, I'm gonna be like a nice charcoal shade of beautiful black after this, but yeah, and it's black is beautiful, guys. Like, it's going to be awesome, because yeah, I mean, I don't know, I like black, so I think the sun is getting to us as well, and I maybe think that we need some food, because we've just been running around, we've been getting into the water, we've been doing crazy stuff. Yeah, you were saying something.
Actually, I think we both planned on lazing around, but we didn't do that.
It's the sun. I'm telling you, it's the sun and the water, and it's that little monkey that Supriya calls her his daughter. But I'm telling you, that kid is the missing link. I'm gonna show you the kid. I'm seriously telling you, there is like a genetic anomaly over there. Yeah, I think it's the sun. So here is the said culprit who's trying to pass off. God se dekhiye is aadmi ko, ye ek chote se bandar baby ko, he's trying to pass it off as his little daughter, and the daughter is hajar cute, but I think that there is a genetic anomaly. We have found the missing link, people. The father of the monkey baby, Supriyo.
It's not my fault, it's my wife's fault. Seriously.
Yeah. Seriously?
Yep.
Where did you find her? She was like jumping from tree to tree when you saw her first.
Absolutely. We were roaming around in a zoo, and we found this abandoned baby in the monkey cage, and we picked her up and brought her home.
That's two crimes. They stole a monkey from a zoo, guys. So tell me, Supriya, what do you think? The kids are having a blast at Aqua Magic.
They are having a blast. We are sitting over here in this corner, enjoying the sights. But
can you see your monkey baby?
Nope, I have no idea where.
Listen, guys, half the time we've had a blast, but let me assure you, nearly 50% of the time has been spent looking for this elusive baby.
Yes.
I am really hoping that by the time this video ends, somebody is going to find the monkey baby, and we will be able to show you that baby. Till that time, rest assured, a lot of fun is being had at Aqua Magica. I did promise you some of the rides. They will come as soon as we find the baby. Let's look up. We have been looking at ground level. Let's look up. Maybe it's up in the trees. Yeah.
Okay. You got water for exactly 5 seconds.
Girls, listen. Water? You're not thirsty?
This little girl who appears as a human, is being passed off as a human, is a certified monkey. Supriyo himself agrees that he found her in a zoo hanging from a tree. I'm telling you, and there she's gone.